Hello guys and welcome all of you and again welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about heat and one of the most subtopics of conceptual subtopics of heat, that is a specific heat capacity. So what is a specific heat capacity? So before understanding these topics, okay, tell me answer of one question. If you know, then give me answer of this question. Suppose two bodies here, that is bodies A and here bodies B. So these bodies have equal mass. Equal mass. If equal amount of heat supplied to body A and body B, then tell me which one have more temperature. Is the temperature change in this body is same or difference? So temperature increased in this body is same or different? Okay, so before understanding a specific heat capacity, so we have to understand this term, that is, so two bodies, that is A and B, so both bodies, that is A bodies and B bodies, has equal masses, and if we supply equal amount of heat to both bodies, so tell me which body temperature increase in which body is same or difference? So temperature increase in body is same or difference? Yes, obviously different. So why this temperature is difference? Because each molecules have capacity to retain heat, amount of heat energy. So these whole the terms are defined in terms of a specific heat capacity. So listen here, so these content of heat energy is defined in terms of a specific heat capacity. So we have to understand a specific heat capacity to solve this problem, that is equal masses, two bodies of equal masses. So when you supply equal amount of heat energy, then the temperature difference is why difference? If we supply equal amount of heat energy, then temperature difference will be same, but here found to be different. So these all idea are based on a specific heat capacity. So we have to understand first a specific heat capacity. So first one is a specific heat capacity. So what is the definition of a specific heat capacity? That is the amount of heat required, the amount of heat required to increase or decrease the temperature decrease the temperature of 1 kg body by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. So listen here. So what is the definition of a specific heat capacity? So the amount of heat required to increase or decrease the temperature of 1 kg body by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin is called a specific heat capacity. So it means that suppose it is 1 kg substance, so it is 1 kg. So here suppose 20 degrees Celsius, it is in 20 degrees Celsius, initially 20 degrees Celsius. So how much we have to supply extra heat energy? So to increase this body temperature becomes 21 degrees Celsius, that is 1 degree Celsius. So this heat energy is called a specific heat capacity. Clear or not? Suppose a body 1 kg mass, so it is initially 20 degrees Celsius. So how much we need heat energy to increase this body temperature by 1 degree Celsius, that is 21 degrees Celsius. So that heat energy is called a specific heat capacity. So this is simple, don't worry. And if you remember from heat equation, so what is the formula of heat equation? That is, Q equals to ms dt. So Q equals to ms dt, and if you remember, so what is Q? Q is the amount of heat energy lost or gained, and what is M? M is the mass, and S means a specific heat capacity. Heat capacity, right? So S means a specific heat capacity. So how can we find the unit of a specific heat capacity from here? So from here, what can I write? That is S equals to what? Q by m dt. So that is, what is the, this is the energy. So what is the SI unit of energy? Right, joule. And what is the unit of mass? That is kg. And what is the unit of, that is temperature difference? If I take here degree Celsius, and you may take Kelvin. So here, so joule per kg per degree Celsius. So this is the unit of a specific heat capacity. So in this way, you can find out the unit of a specific heat capacity. So this is about a specific heat capacity. Okay, sir, what is the application of a specific heat capacity? So how can, what is the application? Why we study a specific heat capacity? So as its definition says that, so the amount of heat required to increase or decrease the temperature of 1 kg body by 1 degree Celsius is called a specific heat capacity, and the each and every substance possesses a specific, that is a different a specific heat capacity. For example, here written, you can see in my book, here you can see that is, okay, see here, okay, here that is, you can see here lead. Okay, lead here, that is 130, gold that is 134, mercury 138, silver that is 234, brass 380, copper 400, steel 447, iron 460, aluminum 900, and here glass 670, sand that is 800, petrol 1670, vegetables oil 2000, ice 2100, kerosene air 2200, alcohol 2400, and last one is hour, that is water, and which possesses 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius. So now tell me here, okay, okay, so remember here, so what is, okay, one question here. So a specific heat capacity of water, you will see, you already seen in that book, that is water equals to how much? 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius. So a specific heat capacity of water is 4200 joule per kg per degree Celsius. What it means? Okay, tell me. So it means that we need 4200 joule heat energy. Listen here, we need 4200 joule heat energy to increase or decrease the temperature of 1 kg of water by 1 degree Celsius. So it means we need 4200 joule here energy to increase or decrease the temperature of 1 kg of water by 1 degree Celsius. So, and you know the water has maximum specific heat capacity. It means they absorb more amount of heat and increase less amount of temperature. Listen here. So what from here you can simply say that water absorb more amount of maximum amount of heat energy and increase less temperature, because its a specific heat capacity is very high. So due to which water increase large amount of heat and to increase only less amount of temperature, that is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, and if it increase 3 degree Celsius, then it needs 4200 into 3 joules energy. So due to this purpose, Due to this reason, water is used as cooling agent in many engine, that is car and in bus, truck. So water is used as cooling agent as well as in water baths. Why? Because a specific heat capacity of water is very high. That is 4200 joule. It means that we need large amount of energy to increase the water temperature by 1 degree Celsius, due to which water is used as cooling reagent as well as in water bath. And there are lots of questions from here. For example, the specific heat capacity of sand is 800 joule kg per degree Celsius. So what it means? So you can simply say that it means that we need 800 joule energy to increase 1 kg of sand temperature by 1 degree Celsius. So this is the reason by which we study a specific heat capacity. From this idea, you can easily define which of the substance contain more amount of heat and increase less amount of temperature. So there are lots of questions in your mind, so don't worry, we will discuss in question